Welcome to my channel. HP printer driver installation on Windows, quick and simple steps. Step 1. Turn on your HP printer. First, make sure your printer is properly plugged into a power source and turned on. Check that there are no error lights on the printer panel. Step 2. Connect printer to your computer. You can connect your printer in two ways. USB cable. Directly connect printer to PC Wi-Fi. Make sure both printer and computer are on the same network. Step 3. Visit HP official support website. Open your browser and go to the official HP support page. This ensures you download safe and latest drivers. Step 4. Enter your printer model number. Search your exact printer model like HP LaserJet, DeskJet, etc. Choosing the correct model is very important to avoid compatibility issues. Step 5. Select your Windows version. HP website will ask for your operating system, Windows 10, Windows 11, etc. Select the correct version for best performance. Step 6. Download the latest driver. Click on the Download button and save the driver file on your computer. Always download the full feature driver if available. Step 7. Run the installation file. Open the downloaded file and double-click to start installation. If asked, click Run or Yes to continue. Step 8. Follow on-screen instructions. Accept the terms and conditions and proceed step by step. The setup will guide you automatically. Step 9. Choose connection type. Select how your printer is connected. USB connection, wired, wireless connection, Wi-Fi setup. For wireless setup, the installer may ask for your Wi-Fi password. Step 10. Complete setup and print test page. Once installation is complete, go to Control Panel Devices and Printers. Select your printer and print a test page to confirm everything is working perfectly. Thanks for watching.